After fixing the error, let's check the final output. These data, these product e-commerce data, I have stored in Pinecone vector database. Let's refresh. See here, shoes, Air Max, everything here. Now you might be wonder where are the vector embeddings. Just go here, the three dots here, click that one and fetch. And these are the vector embeddings which are generated by OpenAI embedding, which is 1536 dimension. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. I just logged into my Pinecone vector database with my free account. Notice here the Charan, I have just logged. First thing, when we want to create a vector database, we need to create an index. For that, go to databases. See, select the databases. Now create index. This is the most important step. Create index. Now create index, we need to give one index name. I have given the ecommerce-openai. And notice this is a default configuration, but I want to select text embedding 3 small. I have selected that one. Notice here it's configured for text-embedding 3 small. The vector type is dense and dimension, notice here 512. You need to set to 1536 because OpenAI text embedding 3 small, the vector size is 1536. If you select the dimension 512, it will raise an error. It doesn't work. So select 1536 and metric is cosine. That's it. Create index. And here our index has been created in the Pinecone vector database. Right now it contains 0 records. Now using Python coding, I'm connecting to this Pinecone with API keys. I'm not showing here how to create an API keys. It's very easy. If you want to create, just create the API key. But I already created here Pinecone API key and Open API key. Many times I have showed how to create an API keys. It's very easy. So I'm not repeating the same steps again and again. So switch over to my Visual Studio. Now in the Visual Studio Code, it's a coding part. First, we need to import the necessary libraries. I already installed these libraries, OpenAI and Pinecone library. Then, we need to initialize the OpenAI. OpenAI is equals to OpenAI is a method takes API keys. I need to add API key is equals to, notice it's a string function. Here I am using my API key. See these API keys, after this video tutorial, I will delete this everything because demo purpose I am showing here. I am initializing the API keys. Now the next step, we need to add the Pinecone API key also, which I have already saved here. This is the Pinecone. So just for the time saving, I am pasting this API key, Pinecone API key also. After that, we need to index. This is the most important step. PC dot, what is PC here? This PC variable belongs to Pinecone. So why we require? We need to add this ecommerce-openai. So let's copy this one. Copy it. Switch over to our vector database. Index method takes a string parameter. I'm adding that OpenAI. The products, just for the time saving, I have already created products is equals to in an array. I'm adding here the products. After that, embedding function. Now here the most important step is, right now we are adding the products details, but we need to convert this into embeddings, vector embeddings, because AI, our Pinecone vector database understand only numbers only. So for that I'm using def embed text colon response is equals to OpenAI dot embeddings dot create. Now in this create function, notice that there is a model here. This here model, add that one. What is here the model name? Model is equals to, what is the model name here? Text embedding 3 small and input text. Input is equals to text. That's it. Now return is equal return response dot data 0 dot embedding. That's it. This is response. Now, after converting the text into embeddings, we need to insert the records now. So for that, I'm creating some vectors here, some array for p in products, text is equals to f double quotes between curly brackets. I'm adding p. Now here I'm adding the product category I want to insert, as well as after that we need to add the metadata now, vectors dot append method. This append method id I want to generate. Just for the time saving, I created here. Now here the complete vector appending function id, values and metadata here. Product id, product category and product name I want to insert along with embeddings into our vector database. Index dot, this is the most important function here. In an interview they will ask how to insert records in a vector database. You have to say upsert function. In this upsert function I'm using vectors is equals to vectors. And then I want to print some text here after inserting successfully. That's it. We have done the complete coding part. Now let's save this file. Save. Switch over to our terminal. Let's run this application. Python. Let's check the final output here. Enter. Oops, here I got an error. Embedding date. Did you mean data? See here, it's data. Sorry for that. Let's save this file. Save. We'll check the final output again. Let's clear this one first. Now let's check the final output. And here we got the final output. Notice here, data inserted successfully. The message we got here, these data, these product e-commerce data, I have stored in Pinecone vector database. Let's refresh. See here, shoes, Air Max, everything here. Now you might be wonder where are the vector embeddings. Just go here, the three dots here, click that one and fetch. And these are the vector embeddings which are generated by OpenAI embedding 3 small, which is 1536 dimension. That's it. If you like this video tutorial, please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.